Welcome to Touch to Click. Today we're going to show you how to solve the Add Account error in MI Unlock status on your phone. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your phone from the home screen or app drawer. This is where you can manage all your device's settings. Step 2. Tap on About Phone to view important information like your device model and Android version. This helps you verify your device details. Step 3. Tap the MIUI version 7 times until you see a message confirming that developer options are enabled. This unlocks extra settings for your device. Step 4. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Additional Settings. Then tap Developer Options to access advanced features. Step 5. Enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking. If a warning message appears, just tap OK or Allow to proceed safely. These options are necessary for unlocking your bootloader. Step 6. Tap on MI Unlock Status to check your bootloader status and add your My Account for unlocking permissions. Step 7. Tap Add Account and Device. Then sign in with your My Account email or phone number and password to link your account. Step 8. If you still see the Add Account error, go back to Settings and tap Xiaomi Account to manage your account settings. Step 9. Tap Sign Out or Add New Account, then confirm by tapping OK or Yes to refresh your account login. Step 10. Sign in again with your My Account credentials, then return to MI Unlock Status and check if the error has been resolved. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Touch to Click channel for more helpful tutorials.